More than 200 professional teachers take oath. Delhi, 1 April 2025. Today, 206 newly licensed professional teachers took the oath under the special career regime as they met the requirements set by the Ministry of Education and the Public Service Commission. The oath-taking ceremony was held at the hall of the National Institute for Training of Teachers and Education Professional, Infordepe, in Delhi. Speaking at the event, the Secretary of State for Secondary Education and Technical Schools, Domingos Lopes Lemos, emphasized that the oath-taking of the newly licensed professional teachers marked an important step towards strengthening the education sector in the country, especially in preschool and basic education. Meanwhile, the National Director of Human Resources at the Ministry of Education said that 224 teachers had been admitted, but 18 chose to withdraw. Amaral highlighted that the teachers would be deployed according to the preferences they selected during the application process. Present at the oath-taking ceremony were the president of the PSC, Agostinho de Deus, directors of the Municipal Education Service, and family members of the newly licensed teachers.